In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Klaviyo to Shopify. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account because everything we are doing happens inside Klaviyo's sign-up form area. This process is focused on taking a pop-up you have already drafted, publishing it, and then enabling the Shopify integration so it can appear on your store correctly. First, go to the Sign-up Forms section. This is where Klaviyo keeps all of your forms, including pop-ups, flyouts, and embedded forms. Once you are there, open your pop-up drafts. Look for the draft version of the pop-up you want to use on your Shopify site and open it so you are in the form editor. Before you publish, it is a good idea to quickly confirm you are working on the correct form and that it is the version you want customers to see. Next, in the editor, click Publish. Publishing is the action that takes your design and settings from draft mode into an active, usable state. After you click Publish, Klaviyo will process the update. You should then see a message that says Published successfully. This usually appears as a modal window on top of the editor. In that modal, click Enable. This part matters because publishing a form and enabling it are not always the same thing. Publishing saves it as a ready-to-use form, and enabling turns it on so it can actually run on your site. After you click Enable, you will be asked how you want to connect the form to your site. Choose Integrate with your website platform. This option is designed for common e-commerce platforms and helps Klaviyo apply the right installation method. Finally, use the drop-down to select Shopify. Choosing Shopify tells Klaviyo which platform you are using, so it can guide the integration correctly and connect your published pop-up to your Shopify store environment. Once Shopify is selected, your pop-up is published, enabled, and set up for the Shopify platform connection. That covers everything you need to know.